Hello, my name is John Goddard and I've been the head softball coach at Monmouth College since 2008. Play the best teams in the area every year, and our main objective is to make the conference playoffs, which we've done my first 3 years. Three philosophies, my first one being that today's work will lead to tomorrow's success. My second one, and they hear this quite often, is there was only one perfect person in the world and the rest of us are supposed to strive for perfection. And then my third one is that softball is kind of a microcosm of life or society, in the fact that it's a bunch of skilled people coming together, using their skills for the good of the whole. Yes, the addition of the new warning track and outfield fence has put us right at the top of facilities available to play softball. The indoor facilities that we use in February are second to none. With the light flight balls, we can almost have a complete game inside until the weather breaks. Basically, I look for anybody who wants to come to Monmouth and participate in softball is a recruit. You send me a recruit me form and you instantly become a recruit. Academically, you need to be able to get in here, be accepted here. But as far as the softball program goes, you send me a recruit me form and you're a recruit. We do not cut at Monmouth College. Anybody that wants to come out for softball can. To contact me, please, first of all, send me a recruit me form. That automatically puts you on my list, and it also will alert admissions that there is a student athlete out there considering Monmouth College. You can also email me at jgoddard@monm.edu, or you can call my cell phone 309-335-1979.